Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be installing a Rhino rack backbone system in my Jeep. Pretty excited for this. Before I had some hokey pokey system holding up my rooftop tent and worked for about 2 years, but it's time to get the proper stuff now. Comes with this fancy piece of cardboard. But yeah, let's install it and see how it goes. I guess the first thing we should do is read the instructions. Looks simple enough. All right, well, step one, gotta remove my air compressor. I made this nice mount for it. Bolts up there, but that's where the Rhino rack system goes, so I'll have to figure something out for that after, but fancy. Hopefully I could use it again, because I kind of like it. Alright, gonna leave them a little bit loose, just in case I gotta move it around. Alright, so as you can see, the mount's right here. I got a little bit loose so I can move it around if I need to. Same with this side. Well, now for the fun part. Drilling holes in the roof. I've already done it, so I guess it's not that big of a deal. Ew. So, for something that's supposed to be so awesome and expensive, it's not built very good. Numerous fit issues. That sleeve fits in. This one does not. And you have to place it in there to line it up to drill it. And I've had issues with these bolts not fitting. So yeah, definitely not happy with the quality assurance aspect of it. Like, it doesn't fit through. So now I gotta drill it out. Let's try this again. That's better. Got the Rhino rack all installed. Got my awning just screwed to it. Seems pretty strong. I don't think it's going anywhere. But yeah. Kind of weird. Just got these little tiny bolts. Holds everything on. Yeah, I don't know. Seems to be working for that, so I'll let you guys know if it falls off on the highway one day, but should be good.